Looks really uncomfortable on that.
On Thursday and 27 is the forecast on Friday. Now we're talking tonight's main stories.
How come there was no Seinfeld today?
Did that thing from Thursday get recorded? Taking the flat?
Probably.
So the Dakar rally, was this a repeat of a previous one some years ago?
Well, that thing I was watching.
Yeah.
No, it's on now. It's just finished yesterday.
Oh, okay.
For this day,
You can watch it if you want.